The following video covers the installation of the PLP compression jumper for ACFR and ACSS conductors. With the aluminum inner sleeve held 3/8 of an inch or 9.5 millimeters from the end of the conductor, mark the length to the end on the conductor. Apply the supplied grease evenly to this entire area. With the tapered end facing the conductor, slide the inner sleeve up to the mark on the conductor. Then clean the sleeve and apply grease evenly to this surface. With the terminal pad oriented towards the end of the conductor, slide the aluminum outer tube onto the inner sleeve, lining up the end of the outer tube with the edge of the taper on the inner sleeve. Following the chart found in the application procedure, install the appropriate compression die for the outer aluminum tube. Lubricate the dies and areas to be compressed. Beginning at the end of the outer tube, make compressions up to the knurl mark. Recommended overlap between compressions is 50% in order to avoid curvature of the tube. Using a knife, remove the protective wax coating on both the dead end and jumper terminal pads. Apply the inhibitor grease to the terminal pads and bolt them together using the galvanized steel hardware. Bolts should be tightened evenly to a final torque of 40 foot-pounds or 54 Newton meters. The installation of the PLP compression jumper for ACFR and ACCS conductors is now complete. This video is for demonstration purposes only. Be sure to read and fully understand the application procedures supplied with the product before installing it.